So when you're going to print everything in a folder easily, you'll need to make sure that your default printer is set up first. And then if in Classroom, of course, you know that in any assignment that all of your student work will show up. And let's just say that you wanted to print all of that. So I'm going to go ahead and go back out. And what you want to do is just click once on the folder that you want to print. And then you'll come to the three dots right here and go to download. So it's going to download, and it's going to take a few minutes to do that. Okay, so once the file's been zipped, it will show up right here, and then it needs to also download. So it's coming, it's downloading right now. It's going to take a few more seconds. Okay, so now your zipped file shows up here, and you can go ahead and open it. And then here it is right here. It's in downloads, but you need to make sure that you click extract all. So it just takes a few minutes, and I'm going to actually have it go onto my desktop. That way I can find it easier. And it's going to be called the same folder as what I just had. So I'm going to go ahead and extract it. And that just takes a couple of minutes. And there, now it's on my desktop. So I can go to my desktop and open up my Life Cycles folder, which is going to be, I believe, maybe this one right here. Nope, that's not the right one. Oh, I guess it might be the right one. And so then what you'll do is you just go ahead and select 15 of them. You can't select more than that. So I'm just going to actually go right to here, hit the Shift key, and highlight all of those. And you can just right click, and then you can go to print, and it will automatically print. When you finish those, then you can come back, hit the Shift key, and then select the rest of them, and then hit print. And that's how you print all of the files in your folder without having to open all of them up at once.